How to log in into TikTok using mobile number. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you this simple tutorial. Basically, this method can work for both of your Android and iOS devices. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up your App Store or Google Play Store. And once inside, you want to go ahead and make sure that your TikTok is up to date. So you want to go ahead and search TikTok, and from here you want to make sure that there are no pending updates on your device. Right after, let's now go ahead and open up the TikTok application. And basically, once inside, you then want to go ahead and click on profile. From here, we then have a lot of options to choose from, but you simply want to click on the first one, which is the use phone, email, or username. And from here, it will then go ahead and prompt you to this page right here, where you can now go ahead and answer with your phone or your email or username. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.